Before you begin, remove the access panel, 2.5-inch storage drive, and storage drive cage. Removal. Remove the 4mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the motherboard and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it from the slot on the motherboard. Replacement. Align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot on the motherboard. At an angle, gently insert the solid-state drive into its slot on the motherboard. Replace the 4mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the motherboard.